May. I am Aubrey. Today we're gonna play Chubby Bunny Challenge. Let's start the game now.
Who will be the first?
Me.
Okay, go.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Eat it!
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Eat it first. Eat it first before you say chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Ready. Don't eat.
Pila na mo gikaon? Usa na. Pila na mo gikaon?
So let's see the points, and May have 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why is it not wet?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I know, but
1, 2, 3, 4. Balik
and
naman.
there was 3.
There, I don't like Chubby Bunny anymore. I hate Chubby Bunny. It's so
Do you still love
gross.
Chubby Bunny? Ew, you ate it again. Ah, ew.
Where did we put this?
Ew.
Where did we put this? That's it. There's none.
Ew.
Where did we put this? Bye. Thanks for watching. This is just a Chubby Bunny challenge. I mean, I hate Chubby Bunny.